other participants, because more than learning by ourselves, getting to interact with a lot of people and getting a lot of perceptions for the same thing, to see such variety and from like across ages, across countries, like we've broken all barriers in the session, and you were the major mediator as the water was there in the first activity. So thank you so much, ma'am. It was like I touched paint after years, I guess. So it was like reliving our childhood. I got flashes of core memories all the way through the session. Like whenever I colored for the first time, or memories with my drawing teacher, music teacher. So it was all put together in a very creative manner, and it didn't seem like 3 hours, like ma'am said. It was like half an hour just went so fast. So would like to have more such sessions. Thank you so much.